Welcome, my name is Angel Ortega and this is Funtech Providers, and today we are going to review the iPhone 11. Here, the iPhone 11, the regular version of it. This is an 128 gigabytes model, and you can get it all the way to 256 for the 11 regular, and you can get the 11 Pro and Pro Max to 512 gigabytes. So let's get started with the iPhone 11 unboxing. Trying to find where you open the phone. Oh, right here. So as you can see, this is the iPhone 11 regular. Second in the box comes with headphones, charger, charging cord, typical things that Apple always give away. I'm wondering when they actually gonna give the wireless earplugs as a part of buying the iPhone 11. That would be awesome. So I would expect this will be a little bit charged. Oh, it is. There you go. Powering on for the first time. Okay, hello. It's a typical intro menu. English, United States. Set up automatically. Ooh, Wi-Fi's. It really looked pretty well finished. It's heavy though. I don't know. Did everybody like kind of have this feeling about the iPhone 11? It's a little heavier than the traditional iPhone. No Siri. Thank you. Continue. Yeah. True tone. Dark mode. It's a lot of stuff. Okay, and there you have it, the iPhone 11 finally in. I kind of like the colors. They went out of the traditional Apple colors. I think they are taking tips from Samsung. See it right here. It's kind of pretty neat. That dual camera system right there. See it right there in the other camera? Yes, I'm making my first iPhone 11 video. Can you see it? Yes, iPhone 11. That's crazy. I think the iPhone 11 is fantastic. I probably gotta get that video from the iPhone too. This is all from the iPhone 11. Okay, let's go back to the camera. Let's talk about the things that this new iPhone 11 could have, because it's nice, it's cool, it's fresh, it's a new cell phone. But in the market, we have been having a lot of these features already, like the zoom out feature or the white mode. When you go from 1x to 0.5x, Samsung already came up with that, and they introduced it in their S9 and in their Note 9 and Note 10 and S10 and S10 Plus. I did a video about the S10 when it came out, and that was something I love about the S10, and I'm glad that the iPhone already have it. Another thing that I think Apple should get on board with is DeX technology. Obviously, let's DAC the phones and make them into computers. I think every company should strive to do something along those lines, make their phones so functional that they are living computers. You just come from work and just DAC your phone and start typing. Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, I think it will. I'm kind of impressed about the design more than the functionality, because we all know Apple is pretty solid in keeping their phones consistent and doing the same thing over and over. They are the true definition of insanity. I've never seen a company who reaffirms the customers that their products let me just say that again. I never seen a company that have reaffirmed to their customers that their product is the same every time. And that could mean a lot of things. For a lot of Apple users, I'm an Apple user, I'm a Samsung user, I use both. At some point, probably when I had my iPhone 4, it's been a while from there, I was very one-sided in this. But, you know, I'm a tech. I deal with technology all the time, and I have opened my mind ever since then to look at both sides of the coin, or multiple sides, because when I say both sides of the coin, I'm traditionally referring to the Samsung spectrum and the Apple spectrum, and that's no longer the playing field. Google, Huawei, Apple, and Samsung, that's the four biggest players at this point. And I think they are doing pretty good. The iPhone 11 has proven that it's a superior phone. Yeah, my tongue twister again. It's a superior phone. And why do I say that? It looks superior. It looks fantastic. It looks like a boss phone. And I know Apple just did it. They did it again. You know, they were able to say the same product with improved features, and people just bought it because it's consistent. I think that's the magic touch, consistency. But you know, the downside of that, probably a lot of people will say in the comments or anything, is that they are not bringing that much innovation. It's not that much creative. And yes, I'll tell you that it's not that much creative. It's not more innovation. They literally just watching their players, seeing what they're doing, grab the most consistent and solid features that will benefit the iPhone. Because as you know, Apple don't jump on everything. Have you ever seen Apple ever losing money? I mean, they do, but whenever they lose money, it's because they're gonna get more. So let's see, what is our take into this iPhone 11 game right now? So our take now with the iPhone 11 is, what's next? Apple, what's next? What you gonna make for the next phone? Because a lot of people was looking at this phone and they saw it coming. You know, the patent of the back frame was already released by somebody, and I don't know who. I don't really know who, but I saw the pictures, and I've been seeing the style from like right before the keynote in June 3rd. So Apple, what's next? A lot of people in the comments probably would like to know. A lot of people who watch this video probably would like to know. Apple, please let us know what's next. And again, this is another episode of Funtech Providers. And my name is Angelio Ortega. Subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up for the likes. And wait for the next unboxing video.